Hi guys, this is Lawrence from Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. I'm going to give you a 4-month update on my EONON UA12s car stereo, Android car stereo. As you can see here, can you see it? The screen is actually turned off. I don't know what's gone wrong. It works. Can you hear that? It works fine. So I don't want to mess it up, but it works fine. Do you hear that? Right? But nothing is showing. It's been literally 4 months since I got this. So I did contact EONON. First through email, which they claimed they didn't get it. Then after I sent them proof that I sent them an email through I sent it through chat on their website, they quickly resolved the matter and they're sending me a brand new unit as we speak. I should get it hopefully by next week, but I'll let you know on the progress of that. In the meantime, if you are going to buy this head unit, there is a chance that you'll get a faulty one. So they did offer me, because it was 4 months since I bought it, they offered me 70% of the price that I paid for. They offered me 70% as a 70% refund, or a brand new head unit. So I opted for the brand new head unit. We'll see how it goes. Although everything else works fine. Sound comes out perfectly fine. The touch works fine. That's the volume. Touch works fine, as you see. It just doesn't show anything. Look, even when I put the headlights on, that comes on. It was really weird. It just happened like from one day to the next. The screen just started flickering, and then by the end of the day, I'd say by the midday, second day after that happened, the screen just completely went blank. What I've been watching on online, because it looks like the panel is a generic 10-inch panel that you can pick up from Alibaba for quite cheap. But I have been watching online that you can there's a way to fix it, but that was the Joy company. Sorry about that, it cut off. So that was the Joy company that put up a YouTube video. I think it was the Joy company. Anyway, it had to do with the Joy head units, and basically it had nothing to do with the screen and everything to do with the soldering on each side of the head unit. They actually put brand new soldering on, and the screen started to work fine and had the same symptoms as what mine has. So I take back what I said in the last couple of videos. Yes, it's a good head unit, but be careful, you might get a dud. You'll have to return it. They didn't ask me to return this head unit. They said they're going to send me a brand new one free of charge, and I won't have to return this head unit. So once I get my other head unit, I will see if I can fix this one, because everything else other than the screen works perfectly fine. So I'm going to see whether I can take this to get fixed. Maybe have a look at it myself. I don't know. We'll soon find out. Anyway, this is Lawrence from Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, if it has helped you out, please like and subscribe. It helps out the channel. And I'll see you later. Have an amazing day. Bye.